Guys, today I am back with another video to show you how I clean my chicken back. Yes, my chicken back. We all know it as chicken back. I do not know how you call it in your country, but in my country we call it chicken back, we call it back. So today I'm gonna show you how I clean it in my country. If you have lime, vinegar, whatever you have, it can be lemon, you put a little bit in the water. So I'm gonna show you how I do it my way. I'm squeezing the lime in the water. I have a whole lemon. You're gonna put some in this one. If you don't have lime, you don't have lemon, and you have vinegar, you can use a little bit of vinegar. Now I'm showing you how I do it my way. I'm gonna take out all the grease. Yes, all the grease. Some people love it with the grease, but no. For me, I have to take out everything. Everything. You can clean it your way, prepare it your way. You can eat it with breadfruit, you can eat it with backs. Sorry, not backs. You can eat it with breadfruit. You can eat it with dumpling. You can cook it anyhow you feel like. So this is the first piece of it. See? This is the first piece. This is how I clean mine. Remember before, when we come from school, sometimes the breadfruit cook already, the backs ain't cook, yet your parents giving you a piece of breadfruit and telling you, go back to school. When you come back, you're gonna get your food because lunch not ready yet. Yes, some people love it, some don't love it, but I love it. I love it. Backs. The Creole name, we call it chicken back. So I don't know how you call it in your country, but that's the way we call it. Trust me, it's very nice, especially if you know how to prepare it. It's very nice. So see, I take out all the grease. This is it. Okay, this is how it, before you clean it, that's how it's gonna be. This is how it gonna be before it's clean, and I'm gonna show it to you after. I took out all the grease inside of it. Make sure everything come out. Okay, this is it after I clean it. This is it there. After I clean it, this is it. I'm gonna show you another piece again. Like I said, you can cook it with any ground provision. You could stew it, you can fry it, you can bake it. Anyhow you feel to use it, you can. Yes, you can do it. You can cook it so many different ways. Yes, you can do that. My people, how are you doing, my people? Please like and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you all more cooking video. Okay, that's the after. This is it. That's the after you finish clean it. How I season my backs. This is my backs. All the grease out I take out all the greases out. So now I wash it already, so that's the last wash I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna transfer it to another bowl. I'm gonna transfer it to that bowl. Now, if you have lime, you have lemon, you have vinegar, whichever one you have, you use it. I like the lime. I love the lime. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with a little bit of salt. Little bit, not too much, little. Because mostly all the seasoning have salt. I don't do without my turmeric. I don't do everything I cook. I use turmeric. I said everything. Yes. All-purpose seasoning. It doesn't matter which one you have. You put a little bit, not too much. Little. If you have this one, you don't have to use it. If you don't have it, you do with what you have. Little bit. A little bit of chili flakes, little bit, not too much. A little bit of black pepper. If you want, you can put a little bit of vinegar on it again, a little, not too much, because I already washed it with, but a little bit, and then you're gonna go, you will mix it, you will mix everything together. Everything together. Everything. Now I just blend some seasoning I make a while ago, so I'm gonna go with a little bit. That's why I said you put a little bit of seasoning, because that seasoning, you added some seasoning inside of it, so you have to be careful with the salt. And you're gonna mix it again, and you have your backs. This is your backs. This is how I prepare my backs in my kitchen. So you leave it there, take a little bit of salt for the salt to go inside of it. You can taste it to see if it has enough salt. Yeah, salt is okay. If you don't have enough salt, then you put a little bit of salt. But for me, you can take a little bit of salt again. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, because I don't cook with a lot of salt. So now you're gonna mix again, make sure the salt go everywhere. Well, cover everything with the salt. And that's it. Look it, that's it.